the other side. It's that don't enter. Don't enter that, y'all. Y'all drown.
They got enough water.
Oh. See? All the goody stuff out there. I'm gonna take y'all. Y'all wanna get in the water? Y'all wanna go see a shark, y'all? A piranha or an alligator? They got alligators coming out of here. Then you can't enter right here. You jump out into here. Let me see what you got here. Woo-hoo. It says, do not enter. Look at that. Oh, I go off the edge. It's Niagara Falls. Y'all ever been to Niagara Falls? This is Niagara Falls right here. See y'all? Y'all ever been to Niagara Falls? Yeah, I just right there though. There. I really think y'all at Niagara Falls. Okay.